Hello everyone and good afternoon. Today is Saturday, May 31st, 2025 at 16:20. And today we have our day 2 outlook to look at for tomorrow. I know that I am a little bit behind on making a day 2 outlook video, but I have been busy today with going to the stores and then going to get my hair cut. But anyway, today we're going to look at tomorrow's outlook. Is what I'm trying to say. So tomorrow we have a slight risk for areas in Texas, as well as a marginal risk as well in the same area. It does extend to a little bit of Louisiana, but that's about it. There's another marginal out here that extends into parts of New Mexico and Colorado, and there is a marginal risk for tomorrow that extends from Tennessee through just a little bit of Kentucky into South Carolina and North Carolina. So we do have a marginal risk for those tomorrow. We do also have a marginal out here in parts of Idaho, Montana, and Wyoming. So we do have a few marginal risk. Oh, Jesus. And there's a marginal risk in Florida. Wow, we got like several areas of risks. Wow. Anyway, tomorrow we have Waco, Killeen, College Station, The Woodlands, and Bryan under a slight, and Houston, Dallas, Austin, Fort Worth, and Charlotte under a marginal. So let's go ahead and deep dive and see what we've got for tomorrow. Tomorrow we only have a 2% of a tornado risk for parts of Texas. Wow, that's okay. Interesting. So we have Waco, Killeen, College Station, The Woodlands, and Bryan under a 2%. So there could be a brief EF1 tornado possible, mainly an EF0. Tomorrow's wind risk, we've got a 5% for areas in Texas, and as well as a little bit of Louisiana. We have one here for parts of New Mexico and Colorado. One up here for parts of Idaho, Montana, and Wyoming. Another part here that is for parts of Tennessee, a little bit of Kentucky, North Carolina, and South Carolina. And we do have this one out here in Florida. So, tomorrow's wind risk, we've got Houston, Dallas, Austin, Fort Worth, and Charlotte under the 5%. So we could see 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts possible in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different risk areas. So please be mindful wherever you may be. You may have a wind risk for tomorrow. Tomorrow's hail risk, we have a 15% hatched for areas in Texas. We have a 5% for areas also in Texas, as well as a little bit of Louisiana. We also have one for parts of New Mexico and Colorado. 5% up here for parts of Idaho, Montana, and Wyoming. And this one out here in North Carolina and South Carolina. Florida does not have one. So, we have Waco, Killeen, College Station, The Woodlands, and Bryan under the significant severe, as well as the 15% hatched. And Houston, Dallas, Austin, Fort Worth, and Charlotte are under the 5%. So for the 15% hatched, we could see hailstones of 1 to 3.5 inch diameter hail possible tomorrow. But for the other 5% areas, we could see 1 to 2 inch diameter hail tomorrow. So please be mindful that could be possible tomorrow. Going into tomorrow's summary, it says scattered large hail and isolated damaging winds are possible from on Sunday from mid-afternoon to mid-evening Sunday in East Texas. More isolated severe thunderstorms are possible across parts of the mid-Tennessee River Valley into the southern Appalachians, central High Plains, northern Rockies, and South Florida. So there you have it. I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow. There's tomorrow's hail risk. There's tomorrow's wind risk. There's tomorrow's tornado risk. And there's tomorrow's day 2 outlook. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow. And that is going to be it for me until tomorrow. Once this turns into day 1, we will be going over this one again. Anyway, hope you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow, even in the marginals, as you never know what these storms could do. But anyway, enjoy your last day of May. I just realized that today is the last day of May. So enjoy it, and tomorrow will be our first day in June. But anyway, I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow. And take care, everybody.